No, ห็นบ่ You know what happened? I took the phone away. I took the phone, hide the phone. That's why I put. Now I want 4 sandwiches. เพิ่นอยากมีเนื้ออยากได้บัดนี้เห็นบ่
Oh, thanks.
เห็นบ่ Everything that I have is hers. It's that sense of entitlement. เห็นบ่ Look, watch her make this. Honey, I'll get sick. I'm gonna drink it. Okay, show them. Make my 4 sandwiches.
Pantry.
I don't know.
Where's
Huh?
the bread?
You made daddy upset yesterday สมหน้าแท้สูเห็นบ่finally มันงอลูกตัวนั้นงอพ่อแม่นะ
I need tomatoes.
เห็นบ่ Make show them dog เห็นบ่เจ้า
Where's the tomatoes?
It's there show them be nice the phone gonna be nice
Where?
we can't make it it's there somewhere oh I'm gonna go get it I'm gonna get it in the car I have one in the car did mommy did you take it out of my thingy
Can I wear shorts
In the
first?
door.
oh it's a big one right you took it from the cooler
Yeah, in there.
Let me wear shorts.
In the drawer, Gabby.
I know I'm wearing shorts.
I gotta go get my thingy
I'm wearing shorts.
The tomato.
okay
I want to come and wear my Mommy, these are the shorts that my first premium had. You know what? Nope, you're not. Hi. Hey. Stop stealing my mirror! Sick and tired of it.
Gabby, stop.
กูระเบื่อคนไล่อยู่ได้เนาะไล่เบิดมือเบิดเว้นอยู่ดีกว่าแบรี่ออกมา
Where's the tomato?
mommy told you you don't listen mommy told you
In the drawer. Go get it.
I'll show y'all how I look
Where's my thing? Where's all my stuff? They go pee pee.
huh and before is she doing a sandwich couldn't let leave เจ้าเงาแล้วค่ะ they fall asleep already how we go outside dancing talk to them how you do it give them instructions
So,
yeah yell it
where do you go to?
honey you make daddy happy
I'm dying.
ผมมาเต้นหนูเลยที่บ้านแล้ว Look,
Five
kid.
pennies.
Look,
Stop!
kid.
Okay, so we gotta get the bread.
Okay, how much? How much, dog?
2!
Two.
Oh, 3, 4!
I meant.
No, 8!
Oh, there you go. You know your math, dog. See, we do math too. This is how we do it, dog. You gonna eat that dog tonight, yo. I'll put my drink. This is my green drink with Dom Perignon.
Is this one?
Yeah. Huh? Whatever you do, dog.
Oh,
Don't matter.
yeah, use this one then.
You do whatever
Here,
you
come
want.
here. Wah!
Ah! Nose. Nose. Ay, honey, no slide. Don't be careful, love.
Oh,
You-
wait, I'm
no,
not
no, no.
gonna-
You gotta use the one with the teeth. Don't use that one. Oh, no. Ah, ow, go get teeth. Ow.
Whee!
I almost dumped you as a dad again.
Not dead.
I was gonna dump you. Like, I wasn't gonna be your dad no more.
Daddy, look.
The-
Look, Dad.
Daddy dumped daughter day, huh?
Look.
I can't see him here.
Come on. Look.
What up? Oh God! Look at that, y'all. Monkey.
Split. Okay, let me get down.
All right,
Daddy!
noise coming up.
Ooh. Ah!
Oh,
No.
you cut it good. Yeehaw.
You want thin slices or little small slices?
For what? On what?
What do you mean? For
Tomato?
tomato.
I like it thin.
No, I'm gonna make a lot because I gotta freaking make 4
Yeah,
freaking
really.
sandwiches. Can I have one?
Yeah, you do whatever you want. You can make yours first. I'm just saying, like, it's just. Apparently, I have to patch it from here. This goes into here, so it's 3 patches.
I almost broke my leg today, and my knee, and my hand.
But
I
your
mean my
knee-
arm.
Your knee would grow. You grow.
Okay, cut some more later. So, I'm gonna make one sandwich first, and then I'll make the rest. Hey! Calm down over there.
Yeah, dog.
So first, you're gonna get your bread. Don't worry about the tomato. Put that over here. Okay, so you gotta get your 2 bread, and then you gotta get this. Actually, you don't need one right now. So, how many ham do you want, or slicey, or this thing right here, turkey? So,
Whatever, baby.
okay, so you gotta put 1, and then and once it fills out, you gotta fold it. And then you gotta do that again to the other side. Like that.
Fuck, my face in the butthole.
Hey! So I guess you add the tomato now. Wait, you add the sauce. I mean the cheese.
I have to tape it, you know?
Wait, how do you open this? Okay. Okay, so how many cheese do you want?
I'm gonna have to use black tape to joint. It's too, I can't get this.
And then you gotta get your tomato once you put the cheese on.
There you go.
And then
Honey,
you
never use that side next time. It's ugly.
And then you're gonna put the tomato on now.
Don't forget the salt and pepper.
Oh. I think that's too much. So, next, do you want to... I'm going to put the thing first. So you're going to get your black pepper, okay? Then you got to sprinkle it on there as much as you like, but don't get too much. Now this one, the salt. Don't put too much either. Just put up.
You can have that one. I want my tomato thin sliced, okay?
I know. Okay, so like a pinch. This is like a little too much. Okay, now you put the sauce. Let me go wash my hands. It will be way better with lettuce because we don't have any right now. Huh. Daddy!
Yeah.
Do you want mayonnaise or mayo?
Bold.
Okay.
Mayonnaise is mayo, love. It's the same thing.
Really?
Yeah. Mayo is shortened for mayonnaise. It's abbreviated, again, like shortened.
We're open. Okay, so you gotta put your mustard on it and put a smiley face.
Not if you mad at daddy.
And then I'll put the heart as a nose.
You put the knife.
Yeah, I'll put it as a nose. No. So, I'm just gonna put the mayo on because I don't really care. Okay, so, we're just gonna, you know what we're gonna do?
I can't wait for Halloween. I like Halloween.
I'm gonna be Chucky for Halloween.
Oh, yeah.
Can we
You
go to
watch my
Party
movie?
City?
You watch my movie, huh? That's why you want to...
No, I got the idea from Alexa Bliss when she wore it in a WWE match.
Alexa Bliss is my wife.
Oh, sure. This one's kind of messed up, but it'll still be good. Ew! Nice. Daddy,
Yeah?
tomorrow can we go get pumpkins and paint?
Sure.
Because I want to paint pumpkins and carve them.
Okay.
And get Halloween directions.
Can you bring me a knife, love? Yeah. Oh, you trying to stab daddy. Why?
Oh! How? Daddy. This is like the 5th time I fell today.
Well, where's that?
Well, I have to. It's more fun.
Okay, then-
Can I get a roller skate for Christmas?
Sure.
Yay. Can I get an iPhone 11 for Christmas?
No.
What?
I don't know. We'll talk about that
Okay. I gotta cut more tomatoes. But first,
later. If you don't do what you did yesterday, you can get your iPhone 10 back. So that's why I haven't been getting it, because you haven't been a good girl. You haven't washed those dishes. You haven't washed those dishes in a month. And then that's why I haven't gotten you your phone.
ham. Where's the ham? Oh. Daddy, we're running out of ham. I don't think I can finish your stuff without
You need the
ham.
salami too. I gotta have both.
Where's the salami?
It's in there.
Where?
One of each, remember?
Where?
Chris, love.
Oh, hey, don't yell at me.
I'm yelling because I'm yelling.
Oh. I'm cutting the tomatoes so you can't see. Okay, so now you put the tomatoes.
Look, you put the
Oh,
tape down.
where?
It's snug. Look, it's snug.
I was supposed to put the cheese.
Take that away from the light.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, so now if that's on, you gotta put the cheese. I'm gonna make him 4 sandwiches. He said 3.
4.
He said 3.
But I had to, but you messed me up yesterday. Now I want more.
Good Lord, child.
Lord good.
Okay, now we put the sauces on. Just put a little bit of black pepper. Put a little bit of salt. Don't put too much. Oh! Don't look at this. Okay, that's good. That's good. And now you gotta put the mustard and the mayo.
Okay.
This one is time to put a heart. Daddy, the first thing I want you to do when you eat this, when you look at the sandwich, open the bun first.
Okay.
Okay? Not everything's gonna be perfect. Now I just put the bun. Then we have to get more bread.
So I have some in the car.
Okay.
Do you need it right now?
No.
Okay.
Where's the salmon or whatever? Oh, this right here? Daddy, is this what you're talking about?
Yeah, the salami, yeah.
Okay. Now we put the cheese. Now, okay, now the pepper again. Now, oh.
Ew.
Okay. Okay, down to my last sandwich.
Okay.
There's gonna be 2 per plate. Got no more bread. Hey, Daddy. There's a dance on Friday. I think Yanela's gonna be there. So, and I haven't seen her in like almost a month or 2, and I really want to go see her.
Okay.
So, can I go?
Did Daddy go or no?
I don't know.
You want Daddy to go or no?
Kinda.
I can go.
Ooh.
Don't let me embarrass you.
Oh no!
No? You don't like it?
Don't embarrass me. I mean, like you can embarrass Yaneli, but not me,
Why?
cause I said. Oh, I forgot to put tomatoes.
Just dip. Just pick it out and do it again.
But. But you won't see the picture that I made on this one.
Okay, not a big deal. Whatever.
It is.
Easy.
It's a huge picture. You're supposed to care about it. Okay. I'm done. I gotta bring one.
Okay. How about you? You didn't know that yours?
Can I have one of yours?
Yeah, you can. Of course you can. You can have the first one.
Okay. Here you go.
Yeah, I make another one though. Yeah, just go make one more. But I gotta pay the.
There's no more bread.
Oh, there's no more? Okay, that's fine. Just put everything away. Thank you, Lau. No, I don't want to get sick. Say goodbye.
I can't. My hands are messy.
Or wipe your hand. Upload it. I gotta download it and upload it on YouTube.
Ha.
Mm,
What did you put as the caption?
so good. Do the video first. Say goodbye to them.
Wait. Let them see me clean up first. There's 2 more hams left. This goes in the fridge. This goes in the fridge. This goes in the fridge. This right here goes in the... Wait, no. This goes somewhere else. The tomato goes in the fridge. This goes in the sink. Now I just have to throw everything else away. But, bye! Gotta say bye.
Bye.
I keep bye.